Ever tried asking an AI to generate an image with specific details, like a red teddy bear wearing a green tracksuit, and ended up with something that's almost right, but the colors are off or the layout feels off? You're not alone. This is a major challenge in AI image generation. How do you add specific details without messing up the overall structure? Let's break down a clever solution from recent research. The key idea. Think of image generation like building a house. First, you lay the foundation, making sure the rooms are in the right place. Then you add the details, like painting the walls or choosing furniture. But if you rush the details, the whole structure might collapse. Here's how this method works. Step 1. Simplify the blueprint. The AI starts by breaking down your complex prompt into simpler versions. For example, if your prompt is a red teddy bear wearing a green tracksuit, it first generates a basic image of just a teddy bear in a tracksuit. Then it gradually adds details, like the red color or the green tracksuit, step by step. This ensures the layout stays consistent while refining the specifics. Step 2. Share the attention map. Imagine the AI has a map that shows where it's focusing as it builds the image. This self-attention map acts like a blueprint, keeping the structure stable. By sharing this map across all the simplified prompts, the AI makes sure every version of the image, whether it's just the teddy bear or the fully detailed one, stays aligned. Step 3. Precision masks for details. When adding new details like the red color, the AI uses special masks to target exactly where that detail should go. Think of it like using a stencil. The mask ensures the red paint only goes on the teddy bear, not the tracksuit. This prevents confusing attributes, like accidentally coloring the tracksuit red instead of the bear. Step 4. Fixing focus with centroid alignment. Even with masks, sometimes the AI's focus gets blurry. To fix this, researchers introduced a centroid alignment loss, a way to sharpen the AI's attention. It's like adjusting a spotlight to make sure it's shining exactly where it needs to. This ensures details like the teddy bear's color or the tracksuit's texture stay precisely where they belong. The result? Images that maintain their original layout while accurately incorporating every detail you asked for. Whether it's a complex scene with multiple objects or a prompt mixing different styles, this method reduces errors and makes AI image generation more reliable. But how does this hold up in real-world tests? Researchers compared their approach, called Detail++, against existing methods like SDXL and ToMe. They measured two key factors, speed and accuracy. The results? Detail++ outperformed the competition. While others took over a minute to generate a picture, Detail++ did it in 30 seconds. But speed wasn't the only win. The images were sharper, colors more accurate, and styles stayed where they belonged. No more pastel skies in a cyberpunk scene. Here's where it gets even smarter. The team designed a style composition benchmark, SCB, to test how well AI handles multiple styles in one image. For example, a robot drawn in a sketch style against an old painting background. They split the image into parts, the subject and the background, and used a tool called Clip to check each against the prompt. If the robot looked like a sketch but the forest was muddy, the score dropped. Detail++ aced it, proving it could keep styles separate and true to the original description. But there's a catch. The researchers found that focusing on self-attention maps early in the process led to better results. It's like giving the painter a roadmap before they start mixing paints. However, too much control backfires. They discovered that extending the editing process too far, like adding 80% of the steps, made the AI overcompensate, creating blurry edges or weird artifacts. It's a tightrope walk, enough guidance to stay on track, but not so much that the AI loses its creative spark. So what does this mean for the future? This research isn't just about prettier images. It's about giving creators more control without sacrificing the AI's ability to innovate. Imagine a world where you can fine-tune every detail of a digital artwork, knowing the AI will stick to your vision, but still surprise you with something magical. Next time you see an AI-generated image, remember, it's not just magic. It's a balance of precision, creativity, and a little bit of algorithmic alchemy. Stay curious and keep exploring the frontier of AI.